Hello my dear friends, welcome back to infyGyan. In this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. X power 7 plus 7 power 7 is equal to x plus 7 whole power 7. Once we will expand RHS, we will get x power 7, which will cancel LHS x power 7. So we are going to calculate only 6 solutions. So I will write our equation x plus 7 whole power 7 equal to x power 7 plus 7 power 7. Now I can take 7 common from this bracket. It will come out as 7 power 7. So in bracket we have to write x over 7 plus 1 and then we will put power 7. Similarly from RHS, 7 power 7 is common. So in the bracket we need to write x power 7 over 7 power 7 plus 1. Now we can cancel or divide by 7 power 7 both sides. Now I can write our equation x over 7 plus 1 whole power 7 from LHS, and from RHS we will use exponent law. X power 7 over 7 power 7 will be x over 7 whole power 7 plus 1. Now you can see x over 7, x over 7. So better is to consider x over 7 equal to a. So our equation will be in variable a. I will write a plus 1 whole power 7. This is equal to a power 7 plus 1. Now we will use binomial expansion for LHS. So I will write our equation a plus 1 whole power 7 equal to a power 7 plus 1. Now I will use Pascal triangle as we have to find out all the expansion coefficients for this expansion a plus 1 whole power 7. So I will write here for power 2 coefficients would be 1 to 1, for power 3 1 3 3 1, for power 4 1 4 6 4 1, for power 5 1 5 10 10 5 1, for power 6 1 6 15 20 15 6 1, and for power 7 which is required here also 1 7 21 35 35 21 7 1. So we are going to use these coefficients 1 7 21 35 35 21 7 1. Let's use these coefficients for our expansion. I will write here a power 7 plus 7 a power 6 plus 21 a power 5 plus 35 a power 4 plus 35 a cube plus 21 a square plus 7a plus 1, and RHS is a power 7 plus 1. Now we will subtract both sides a power 7 plus 1. So this will cancel out from both the sides. We will write our equation 7a power 6 plus 21 a power 5 plus 35 a power 4 plus 35 a cube plus 21 a square plus 7a equal to 0. Now we have 7a common. Let's take 7a common from LHS. We will get in the bracket a power 5 plus 3a power 4 plus 5a. I will write here power 3 plus 5a square plus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. Now we can use product 0 rule and write either a equal to 0 or this quintic expression a power 5 plus 3a power 4 plus 5a cube plus 5a square plus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. So we have to solve both the equations. If I will consider our first equation a equal to 0, then from this equation a was our substitution x over 7 equal to 0. So from here we will be getting our first solution, which is real, x equal to 0. Now we will consider our second equation. So a power 5 plus 3a power 4 plus 5a cube plus 5a square plus 3a plus 1 equal to 0. This was our quintic equation. Now I will check if I will plug in over here a equal to -1. So it will satisfy. Minus 1 power 5 is minus 1. 3 times minus 1 power 4. So I will write here plus 3. 5a cube. If a is equal to -1, I will write -5, then +5, then -3, then +1. You can see plus and -1 will be over. +3, -3, +5, -5 will be over. We will get 0. So a equal to -1 is our base solution. Now we will use synthetic division method. Here we will write all the coefficients of quintic equation. So I need to write 1, 3, 5, 5, 3, 1. Then we will consider our leading coefficient 1 as it is. Now we will multiply this base solution with this leading coefficient. So -1 times 1 minus 1 we will write here. Then we have to add these two numbers. 3 minus 1 is 2. -1 times 2 is -2. Now we will add these two. We will get 3. -1 times 3 is -3. Addition will give us 2 here. -1 times 2 is -2. We will get addition 1. -1 times 1 is -1. This addition will come out 0. So here we have coefficients for quadratic equation. So I can write our equation a power 4 plus 2a cube plus 3a square plus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. Let me write our equation here. Here it is. Now I will check our equation at a equal to 0. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal to 0. So 1 cannot be equal to 0. So we can say a cannot be equal to 0 for this quadratic equation. So I can divide our equation by a square. Let us divide both sides by a square. Divided by a square. Divided by a square, as a cannot be equal to 0. So we can write after division a square plus 2a cube over a square will give us 2a only, plus 3 plus 2a over a square, we will write 2 over a, 1 over a square, and RHS will be still 0. Now I can split this 3. I will write first term a square, then last term 1 over a square, and this 3 I will write 2 plus 1. So 2 is here. Now I will write here from these two terms 2 is common. So I can write here 2 times in the bracket a plus 1 over a. Now we will write the remaining 1 equal to 0. Now a square plus 1 over a square plus 2. This is a plus 1 over a whole square plus 2 times a plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 0. If I will consider a plus 1 over a equal to suppose b, then this is b square plus 2b plus 1, which is one algebraic formula. We can write b plus 1 whole square. So this is nothing but a plus 1 over a plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Let me write here a plus 1 over a plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Now we will consider a square root both sides. So we can write a plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 0. Now a cannot be equal to 0. So we can multiply both sides by a. Now we will write a times a is a square plus 1 plus a equal to 0. Or I can write a square plus a plus 1 equal to 0. Here we can write a cannot be 0, which we have already checked. Now we have to solve this equation. Let us use quadratic formula. So I can write here a equal to, as per formula, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. As per our equation, we will write the value of a, coefficient of small a square 1, value of b, this will be again 1, c, this is also 1. Let's apply all the values. So I will write minus 1 plus minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 1 times 1, 4 over 2 times 1, so 2. Now 1 minus 4 is minus 3. We will write here minus 1 plus minus square root of minus 3 over 2. This is equal to a. So we can write here minus 1 plus minus. We know that square root of negative 1 is complex number I. So I can write here I times square root 3 over 2. So we are getting complex values. Minus 1 plus I square root 3 over 2 and minus 1 minus I square root 3 over 2. So here we have two cube roots of unity. So I will write here omega and omega square with multiplicity 2, as we had a plus 1 over a plus 1 whole square. So I will write multiplicity 2. Now a was our substitution, x over 7. So I will write x over 7 equal to omega, omega square. So x will be equal to 7 omega and 7 omega square with multiplicity 2. So we are in total 6 solutions. Let me write here. The first solution was x is equal to 0. Second solution was a equal to minus 1, which we can solve here with our substitution x over 7 equal to minus 1. We will multiply both sides by 7. We will get our second real solution, x equal to negative 7. So first real solution is 0, second is minus 7. And remaining 4 solutions are, if I will write here, then 7 omega square with multiplicity 2. So overall 6 solutions are here. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.